I'm Zach with Josh's Frogs, and once again, we're still out here in Washington in the temperate rainforest. I know a lot of y'all love to grow moss in your vivarium. I mean, who doesn't? When we think of that tropical jungle, we think of a ton of moss, just like these bryophytes right here. If you'll notice around here, it's always humid around here. It's always wet, but there's airflow, and especially when it rains, just you can see all the way up on that tree. You get rain hitting that, and it runs all the way down. It just saturates this. And then even though we're in the shade right now, right here, we are brighter than most of your vivariums out there. So when you're trying to grow moss, you want airflow, but you want it to stay wet, and you also want really bright light. I know a lot of people are tempered to kind of throw their moss down on the floor where you might see it in the woods, but it's probably going to get blocked out. They're not going to have a lot of light down there. So think about starting up on things on surfaces.